Smooth life, working. Y'all know I be working. My students ain't got big enough, but we don't do no jerking. 69 years just why one time you need a surgeon.
John, that's you, boy.
What up, son?
I ain't seen you in about 10 years, man.
Man, you know it's been a long time coming, man. But shit, I'm finally home now, man. Shit.
Look at you getting all big and stuff.
Oh man, you know I was in there pumping that iron. You know what I'm saying?
Man, look at that hand, though, boy.
Man. You know I ain't cutting this Indian off, man. But shit, you know I'm having a welcome home party, but tonight, man, should slide through, man.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that.
Shit, I'm just get a little shape up, man. How many you got?
I got you next.
I bet. Shut up, work.
That's what's up.
One on that.
Where you at? The bus about to pull off.
You got the number? I'm gonna get it. Yeah, sis, we on our way. Man, fuck that shit. Yeah. Look, I'm finna grab a drink, then we gonna pull up on, man.
All right.
Richie, I see you. Richie, I see you. Richie, that man. On everything, man. No, nigga can't get like me. Little boy can't get like me. Get to the money like me. Don't pay 100 like me. Fuck up a check like me. Watch a nigga flex like me. Keep the hood thumping like me. Cause you ain't nothing like me. No, can't get like me. Can't get like me. No, can't get like me. Can't get like me. No, can't get like me. Can't get like me. No, can't get like me. Can't get like me. Niggas can't get like me. Cause you ain't shit like me. So, ain't know what's up, I said what's up. So, ain't know what's up, I said what's up. So, ain't know what's up, I said what's up. So, ain't know what's up, make a move with the bros. We let the blow, we count the dough. We fucking hoes, that's how we roll, we party hard. Like Mardi Gras, ain't cross some more, I live it up. Don't get no fucks, I can die tomorrow. What's up, bitch? New fit, new cut, time to turn up. Nigga know what's up. I'm in the club, me and my thug.
Look, y'all, these bitches ain't look. Black parents be like, either you whoop their ass or I'm gonna whoop your ass.
Show how my mama used to be.
Little faded bonnet wearing ass.
Petty as fuck, G. Girl, this your cup.
I'm finna be dealing with this shit.
This your cup?
I'm done with all this shit. And, you know, it's just... Bitch, I know you ain't drinking my shit.
Bitch?
I know you ain't... I don't know where the fuck your fucking lips
Girl, it's been about 3 days. You good? Girl, she the one over here with that laryngitis.
Bitch, I got strep.
How you get strep?
How much is it for an order 5-piece chicken wings? $6.99. Hell no. What is it, $1 per wing? Oh, hell no. Just get the pizza. Just get the pizza.
Hey, man, give me some too.
Hell no. You beg too much.
Man, so you can't even give me
Hell
shit?
no. You ain't never got no damn money. Yeah,
Oh,
just gonna
she
eat the
played
pizza.
Go, best friend, go, best friend, go. They was like the 4 Musketeers. This right here, this is my little sister Kelly. I only seen her a few times since I've been out, but word on the streets is Kelly crazy as hell. They say the last nigga she's with cheated on her. So she waited till he went to sleep and super glued his hands to his dick. Damn. And this right here, this is Messy Melanie. She always in somebody's business. Always in some drama. Always trying to fuck somebody else, man. She tried to give me some ass today, but shit, I started my first job, so you know how that went. Money over bitches. And this right here is Kristen. She crazy as hell, but she the bipolar type, the type that go to sleep happy and wake up mad. I don't know. I just think she probably was going through menopause at a young age or something. I don't know. She probably just needed some dick in her life. And last but not least, this is Audrey. She laughed at anything. I mean, anything. They said Daddy died 3 years ago, and she spent 2 hours just laughing in the hearse. And nothing was funny. It was a funeral.
Hey, what's going on, boss? You Mr. Stanley?
Yeah. You John?
Yeah, my mama said you had a job assignment lined up for me.
Yeah, I do got a job for you. Your first job would be keeping the lobby clean.
I can do that, boss.
Yeah, just make sure the lobby clean. And make sure ain't no soliciting in the store.
I can do that, boss.
Okay. All right.
Girl, I'll be back out.
Kelly, Brody, can you hurry up with that paper? I need you to go on this website and find these books for me. Damn, bitch, you don't fuck around and melt my motherfucking paper. Girl, don't play with me. My breath stink though. Huh? Do it stink?
Yeah, your shit is
You
on
petty.
homo.
You
It's
petty.
your
That's
shit.
probably your fucking breath.
Nah, my
You
shit. I
petty
know
as
my
fuck,
shit
'cause I
don't
know
stink.
my stuff
I
don't
don't
stink.
even use cheap toothpaste, dog. Here, you like it? Hell no, my forehead big as hell.
Girl, please. Shit, you ain't got no phone. Girl, this bitch blocked me. Who? Chris. Fuck. Let me see your phone. Let me see if he got you blocked too. You know they love to block a motherfucker on somebody else's page. Shit, he'll be alright. Damn, he blocked you too.
Damn, is y'all gonna get the door?
I mean, it is your house.
I don't even know how y'all come over.
Man, this motherfucker's deaf.
Shit, it took you long enough to get her.
Here. I'm Christy Larry.
Oh, you like showing your ass, I see. This cold as hell. We're gonna eat this. Me, shit, I'm hungry as fuck.
You talk to your brother, lady?
Man, I ain't talked to bro since Tuesday. They be having fucking phone off the hook. I've been calling. I guess my mama at work. She ain't answering the phone, so I don't know what the fuck going on.
Okay, bitch, so you mad because your fucking nigga choosing. Like, I don't want your nigga. My nigga money is long.
Okay, well, it is what it is. It is what it is, baby. It is what it is.
You go with this shit.
You must be cheating.
Hello?
Why you say that?
She can't put
Why
a
I
picture
can't
of
take a
you
picture
on
of you?
the snap or the gram.
Now
Who
she
you got
wanna be
watching?
Man, he supposed to
Who you got watching?
Damn, y'all boy, my hot.
You'll be alright.
You still got the Rillos?
No, ask whoever you want to see my snap. Do they got some real eyes?
What's your mom? I'm finna go to the store and get some Rillos. And then y'all want some?
Is that bitch at the store?
There you go. You wanna go? Well, anyway, then y'all want something from the store?
I am talking. You ain't got some edge control.
Hey, bro, stop at Mr. Stanley's and give me one of them fat-ass Philly cheesesteaks, man. Them the best.
And
That
give me,
big one?
Yeah, the big one.
give me some mace, because I'm about to mace me a couple of hoes tonight. But for real, you about to roll up?
You know that, don't you?
Can I hit your shit? Because I'm about to
Bitch, tell your motherfucking man stop coming over here smelling like motherfucking Nick bags and shit.
So what we about to do, y'all? Is y'all gonna turn up with me, or I'm gonna go get on a mission by myself? Mission? Really is? So what we want out?
Man, hey, let's go hit up Pearls.
Oh yeah, they got that buy 10, get 1 free drinks.
Who wanna buy 10 drinks?
Why don't you like your baby up off me?
They ain't baby shit. He with his other baby.
That's still cold as fuck outside. They said they got some switches. Let me hit you right back. John?
This is my right-hand man right here. This is my boy Black. He's the only one of my friends that kept in contact with me while I was going away. You know, kept a little change on my books, made a few visits here now and then. His parents disappeared when he's 16, so he had to learn how to hustle at a young age.
I thought you started on next week. I could have dropped your ass off.
Man, I was supposed to, man. You know, mom's been on my ass since I got out, man. Shit tight.
Hey.
Hey.
How much is it?
10 furrows.
Let me get a bottle of water and let me get a couple of them below pops.
Daddy, how much for a bottle of water in the blow pop?
$1.63.
It's $1.63.
Y'all take EBT?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here you go.
Give me 3.5 minutes, mate.
John, stop all that goofing off. And if your friend ain't buying anything, he got to leave.
I ain't trying to get something, man. Waiting on Miss Parker right here.
Excuse me?
Just trying to get a beef Philly. That's it.
John, your friend got to go. You can come back here and clean this toilet.
Clean the toilet. Man, nobody cleaning no damn toilet. What? Get the fuck out of here, man.
Well, shit. Never mind that Philly. Hey, Miss Parker.
Ooh, I guess y'all niggas hiring.
Damn, nigga, you out here shining, ain't you? What's these, some dubs?
Hell nah. 26s, nigga.
Yeah, that.
You get you a ruler? Shit, I tell you.
Man, I should got my motherfucking check. Dog, this job shit, man. This ain't for me, man. I've been fucking gone for 10 years, man. You think I want to get out and punch somebody else's fucking time clock, man? Fuck nah.
Shit, so what you gonna do?
Man, I don't know. It's my only problem.
Yeah, since you say that, it shows some niggas around the way. Niggas fixed up heavy.
Heavy?
I'm talking about heavy.
What you mean?
Nigga, I'm talking about got that shit in.
Man, you know, I was 14 when I was left, man. Shit, I don't know nothing about no damn kick, though, but shit. Is everything cool, legit? Shit, you know about it. You know more down these streets than I know. Shit, what's up? Tell me.
I'm gonna set everything up. Me and my nigga already got the shit planned and playing the shit. All you gotta do is beat her. Can you handle that?
Just beat her.
Can you handle that?
Man, that's a bet, man.
Shit. So what you want?
My OG crib, where the fuck I'm gonna go, nigga? Shit.
It's 2 o'clock. Fuck it, I'm about to just get on my own shit.